Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we become thought leaders. We derive wonderful life skills, life lessons, life values from simple and beautiful stories, and we become thought leaders. Let's get started. Again, a very short story, but again, lots of things to understand and learn from. Today, we're going to talk about a bird. This bird in the forest actually found a fruit which is hanging from the tree. It loves the fruit, and the bird is watching. The bird is watching. Okay, I'll wait. I will wait, and I will go for the fruit very soon. Kept on waiting, kept on waiting. Okay, I'll wait for the fruit to fall down. Let the fruit fall down, and then I will go and this thing. Very soon, minutes became hours. Hours became days. Days turned into weeks. And then finally, what do you think happened? Come on, complete the story. Finally, what happened? Quickly.
For the apple fell from the tree.
The
Okay.
food rotted and fell from the tree.
Sorry?
The food rotted and fell from the tree.
Oh, it got rotted itself, right? It rotted very nice.
Coach, within a month it became overripened and then fell from the tree.
Okay.
Or some other animal came and ate it.
That's also possible. Somebody else came and took it.
Course, the bird couldn't wait any longer and just took it from the tree itself.
Sorry?
The bird couldn't wait any longer, so it took it from the tree.
Very nice. Any other interpretations? Any other endings for the story?
Coach, after waiting for such a long time, even a human might have came to pluck the fruit.
Somebody else come and got it. Somebody else took the fruit.
Coach, maybe
Yeah.
the fruit turned its color and stopped the temptation.
I always keep saying, Rohan, old head on young shoulders. Wonderful, Rohan. Anybody else wants to come up with any creative answers?
Coach, it might have, waited for such a long time. He should have come to the tree and himself pluck the fruit, but he didn't do. So that's why some other animal might have also come to steal it.
Other animal took it off.
Coach, maybe the rain came and washed away the fruit.
Very nice. The rain also washed away the fruit. Very nice. There will be anything from you, dear?
Coach, maybe the wind, what?
The wind took it away.
Yeah.
Coach, it was so stormy. The trees might have uprooted and took the fruit away.
Okay. Manikam, would you want to add something? She?
Same thing goes. The apple must have gotten rotten by the amount of time the bird was waiting.
You like apple?
Yes, coach.
Why did you go and eat it?
Because I haven't added myself in this story.
Sorry?
Because I didn't add myself in this story.
You're part of all the story. Yeah. Yes.
Coach,
Anybody
maybe,
else was?
Coach, when the fruit fell down, the ground was dirty and it couldn't eat it.
Oh, it got dirty. It was contaminated, so it could not be had. Baby, darling, anything you want to add?
Coach, Coach, some other bird came and ate that fruit.
Okay. Why not Aslam came and took off the apple? A for Aslam, A for apple. Aslam, happy morning.
Happy morning, coach.
Very nice, very nice. Wonderful. Yes. So very simple. If anybody remembers the ultimate secret success formula, what is the way? Ultimate secret success formula is what? Come on, quickly.
Coach,
Yukta?
coach, goal, strategy, action, result.
Correct. Correct. Instead of waiting too long, waiting unnecessary, what do you need to do? What is the goal of the bird?
Need
You
to
should
take
take
an
action and then take the fruit.
Correct, correct, correct. This is not just for the bird, for all of us, for everybody. The goal is to go get the fruit, go for your goals, make a plan, make a strategy, and then finally take actions on a daily basis. Taking action daily basis. Wonderful. We love the creative minds that all of you have. Very nice. Finally, it is the story was that this thing Rajkumari severe Srinandana got up because she loves apple. She went and ate of the apple. That's all. She set up her goal. She saw the bird was just wasting time. She made a plan. She got up. She went running, and she went and plucked the apple. She ate it off. Correct, isn't it, Sri? Yeah. Love you, Sri.
coach.
Yeah.
Coach, because of the apple might be poisonous, so that's why he was afraid to eat it.
Oh my God. Lovely. Lovely. So what happened is because since Siddhi thought the apple was poisonous, so she not gonna share the apple with everybody except Siddhi. Yes. And then we all realized the apple was normal apple. But yes, the next time Siddhi also decided that yeah, we should eat apple. The apple was not poisonous. Okay, lovely. I love the creativity. Very nice. Thank you so much for everybody for participating. Manikam wanting to participate more and missing Harish. Yeah. Manikam, நீங்க பேசணும் Manikam. You like apples, Manikam?
Yes, coach.
Then Srinandana, you must share the apple with our dear Manikam also. He loves apple. Okay, don't eat up the entire thing. I know about you. I know so much. I know that you will definitely share. Okay, please share. Is there anybody who doesn't like apple here? Anybody?
Coach me.
Oh, even I actually, I'm not very, somewhere I'm not sure why I don't like apple.
Coach,
I like banana a lot.
coach, I like apple, but I like apple, but not that much. I don't love apple like that's it.
Oh, it's such a big issue. Oh my God.
I love strawberries. I love mangoes. I love kiwi. Kiwi is one of the best thing in this universe.
Yeah, and I love your parents that they buy you such amazing fruits. Wonderful. Lovely. Great. Fabulous. Over to Yukta. Ajit, can you make Yukta this thing? She started digging her nose already. Oh, okay, she did not dig. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much. I have got to leave. You guys stay blessed. Live purposefully, live powerfully. Thank you, Ajit. Ajit, part of habit. So its habit is so much that we just got up and after that just could not go back. So I thought of joining. She, please share the apple. Love you, dear. And one thing is that don't forget to give it to the legend. Where is legend? Legend. Oh, number path. Oh, legend is doing Vedic maths these days. Yeah. Okay, guys. Over to you. Everybody, please sit in Vajrasana quickly. Everybody in Vajrasana. Everybody, bye-bye. Live purposefully, live powerfully. You are all superhumans. Over to you, Yukta.
Let's start with a short meditation. Close your eyes. Let's start with the ordering nasal breathing. Let's start with our deep breathing, 6 counts. Now let's start with our energizer. Low speed, low energy to high speed, high energy, high intensity. Let's start. Now let's start with our gratitude. Cross your hands. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Sal, for being such an amazing person, always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, Sal, for always being focused on your goals, for always being focused on yourself. Thank you, Sal, for always doing everything properly. Thank you, Sal, for always being grounded, for having a simple act of forgiveness, of kindness. Thank you, Sal, for always being compassionate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sal, for always having a goal, a strategy, taking action every single day. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You moved to your goals very fast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, 2+ of support, your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Now, thank your friends and your family for always supporting you, for always cheering you on, for always being there whenever you need them. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for always supporting you, for always pushing you to your limit, for always pushing you forward, for always being tough on you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul the purpose, a soul the why, a soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now visualize the bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe to head, fully blessed with the bright white light. Now visualize your goals, your purpose, a mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start. Let go of your hands in your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm considerate.
I'm considerate.
I'm compassionate.
I'm compassionate.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I'm awesome.
I'm awesome.
I take action every single day.
I take action every single day.
I'm grateful to anyone and everyone.
I'm grateful to anyone and everyone.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
I am superhuman.
I am a superhuman.
Then dog claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. First one. Second one. Last one. Oh, but I see it's worth it. Please. Coach.
Yes, bye guys. See you tomorrow morning. Have a great day.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.